Hello, today I'm going to show you how to refuel your Fiat 500 using Super E10. This is a gas or a hole which we are going to use in that car. If we open the cover on the right area of our car, we can unlock the refuel flap by rotating it by using our key anti-clockwise. And on our flap, we have to read unleaded fuel only. Then we can top up it with E10, because E10 is a full mixture with 10% anhydrous ethanol and 90% gasoline, sometimes called a gasohol, can be used in the internal combusting engines of the most modern automobiles, like a Fiat 500, and lightly duty vehicles without need to any notifications on the engine or fuel system. We get now the tank piston into the tank area, and we see Super E10. This is E10, which we can now enter into our system. We are now locked that pistol until it is locked, and it will be then automatically refuel our Fiat 500 engine with, or the tank for the engine, until it is full reached. I think it is completed 35 or 40 liter in total. It will automatically switch off, as you can see, and then we can now remove the tank or refuel pistol out of the car. Get this back in position, and we now get the cover back by get it with that two areas on that side, and rotate the cap back in position and rotate it right until you hear a click sound. This is now to lock this by using the key. Job's done. And now we can go back, after we paid our bills, to the street again. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and give me a positive feedback. I'll see you again on my channel. Sensum!